First of all, what is a turbine? A turbine is an energy-producing device that extracts energy from a fluid and transfer that kind of energy into some form of mechanical energy. And in this project, we have designed an impulse turbine. An impulse turbine is a turbine that is driven by high-velocity jets of water that come out from a nozzle and then strike on the buckets. This will result in the transferring of the energy from the kinetic energy into mechanical energy, usually through a rotating shaft of the turbine. And now let us witness the greatest invention of our project, the Rasenshuriken impulse turbine.
In an impulse turbine, the velocity of the fluid is increased by passing through a series of nozzles before being directed to the rotor blades. The stator blades act as the nozzle and increase the velocity by reducing the pressure. Fluid stream with higher velocity then impacts with the rotor blades and transfer the momentum to the rotor blades. And during these stages, the fluid properties undergo changes which are characteristic to the impulse turbine. The pressure drop occurs completely in the nozzle and the velocity increases significantly in the stator and then drops in the rotors. So in a sense, the impulse turbine only converts the kinetic energy of the fluid and not the pressure.
Rasenshuriken impulse turbine is the greatest product we have ever made because we don't have any other products. It is a product that is based on the concept of Rasenshuriken. Rasenshuriken is a skill that is invented by the main character in Naruto. If you don't know about Naruto, go watch it now. For the design, we modify the shape of the shuriken and apply it on multiple corrugated PVC sheets. Then we cut it and we combine all of them to become a thicker turbine. The air holes between the sheets are being tapped so that we can maximize its performance. After going through the test, we believe it performs really well.
Okay.
We realized that the design of runner blades and the airflow affect the performance of turbine. So, in Rasenshuriken impulse turbine, we tape or completely seal the air holes of the corrugated PVC sheet to maximize the efficiency of the Rasenshuriken impulse turbine. The airflow will spill into half and turn around when it reaches the runner blades. The momentum of the air jet was utilized and higher efficiency is achieved.
So why does impulse turbine work so efficiently? Imagine try to make the wheel of the turbine turn around by kicking soccer balls into its pedals. You need the balls to hit hard and bounce back well to get the wheel spinning. And those constant energy impulses are the key to why it is so good. Newton's second law of motion tells us that the momentum gained by the wheel when the ball hits it is equal to momentum lost by the ball itself. The longer a ball touches the wheel, the harder it hits, the more momentum it will transfer to the wheel, and the better the turbine is.
The advantages of this impulse turbine are the size of the impulse turbine is very less and it can work at low discharge or at low flow rates. It is also flexible according to the load condition and easy to assembly. Other than that, they work at atmospheric pressure, so no problem of linkage.